Hey guys, so we are outside, well I am outside a veterinarian here in the Bandung market of Chiang Rai area. Rung's been doing her auctions still. We've been donating and helping out where we can. Our trip back from Laos, we stopped and helped some of the tribal people. We gave out blankets, food, money. Rung asked me to not show the videos of this. She's afraid that people are gonna think that it's all just a big pat on the back for ourselves, and that, you know, she's kind of embarrassed if we're like appeared like we're showing off. And of course, people who know us, of course, know that's not the case. So I haven't been filming too much of it. I did film us giving out the blankets and that. But like I said, Rung asked me to not show the videos anymore. Though she does put them up on her Facebook and stuff because that's where her money comes from for this. She did an auction. She did an auction yesterday from her shop, maybe the day before. She raised 13,000 baht. Half of it is going to buy playground equipment for a hospital. For the kids at the hospital, they have nowhere to play. And so, you know, 6,000 or 7,000 baht, I think, is going to buy the playground equipment. Sorry, it's really loud out here. The scooter's going by. And Rung's inside doing a live video inside the vet office. So I thought I'd come out here, and I don't even know if this is going to get aired, to tell you the truth, because I gotta pass it by her. This is not why we do these videos. I have demonetized all my YouTube videos. I'm done with Google. I'm just ticked at them in general. My business in Canada, I give about $7,000 to $8,000 every year to Google for AdWords. And in return, they give me back just over $200 in the last year. So I've demonetized all my videos. You guys won't have to sit through any more ads or commercials to watch our videos. I'm just donating the money myself, and I don't have to worry about my videos being demonetized and all that Google crap that's going on. So yeah, I'm just gonna put the money out of my own pocket. You guys can sit back, enjoy the videos. I'm not asking for money for Patreon, anything like that anymore. We'll take care of this on our own. And like I said, so here at the vet, we are, there's 10 puppies. It's pretty sad in there, to tell you the truth. I've already been in there. There's 10 little puppies that they rescued from, you know, some people who were raising them to make them into food. And that's the bottom line. That's the way it is over here. The vet had rescued the dogs, but now, you know, it's cost a lot of money. She has 10 puppies in there. She needs, they need milk and taken care of, and so the other half of the money from Rung's auctions, another 7,000 is going. She's donating to this vet. So that's where we're at. I might go in and shoot some more video, but I wanted to, you know, we're not showing, it's not that I'm ignoring making videos. This is what we do, and we're helping out where we can here. Like I said, I want to stress, this is not, look at us and look at how amazing we are. This is no pat on the back at all. But again, with my little beef with Google and Patreon, I just want nothing to do with either of them. So we're raising the money on our own, and we're going to, we're just going to carry on donating the money here where it's needed. So yeah, I have no problem kicking in from my own pocket, because this is a good cause. And anyways, so we'll go inside and have a look at what's going on in here. Look at how small that little guy is. Oh my God, he is so cute.
His name is Mini.
Mini?
Soon, new owner from Hong Kong in Phuket.
Really?
Yeah.
That has a new one? Oh, so good.
Her name is Mini.
Mini, good name. So mini. Oh, that's great. They've got this one adopted. But they still have to get bigger. How old?
ความจริงเงินจำนวนนี้พี่ต้องไปช่วยเหลืออีกหมาหลายเคสมากแล้วก็พี่ตั้งใจจะซื้อของขวัญ เป็นของเล่นสนามให้กับเด็กป่วยในโรงพยาบาล2 แห่งที่รับปากเขาไปแล้วก็เงินก็เลยจำเป็นต้องมาช่วยหมาครึ่งนึงก่อนเฉพาะของเล่นก็20,000 กว่าบาท 27,000 มันไม่พอไง
เดี๋ยวทำออปชั่นอีกไหมพรุ่งนี้
อาจจะทำออปชั่นเ
เผื่อจะได้
ออปชั่น this one not
ซื้อยาครับ
Oh, sorry. How old is this? How old is Minnie? Whom? How old is Minnie?
Oh, 2 months. About 2 months.
2 months now. Wow, so small.
So small.
What a sweetie. She's got a sore leg.
เอาไกลๆนะ
ใกล้ๆเลยค่ะ
1 2นี่มันวิดีโอเดี๋ยวก่อนเอาไป
แล้วเดี๋ยวพี่ถ่ายรูปด้วยน่ารักดี
ไม่เป็นไรเขาส่งภาพไปแล้วหมดแล้ววิดีโอนี้มันเป็นโอเคโฟโต้1 2
Thank you มาพี่ถ่ายให้
ไม่ได้เหรอฮะทำไมภาพมันจ้าไปไหม
จ้าก็ไม่เป็นไรค่ะสวยตั้งมาเถอะดีหัวพี่ก็พอดีนั่นแหละตั้งมาเถอะ
Oh, Minnie, so cute. Can I pet you on the head? Can I pet you, Minnie? Oh,
after food sleeping
so tired, little Minnie. Look at how big compared to my finger Minnie is.
you look here before she could not walking
Oh my
now
goodness.
start walk
Oh, these people.
they want go up the dog like that about 4 kilogram
Yeah.
when 4 kilogram after that they kill to cook it
to eat
Oh my goodness. That is
now only
sickening.
700 gram
Freaking grow some pigs or some chickens, man. God, makes me sick. Can I go into the back and show the puppies?
Yes.
Is it okay?
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna go into the back and show the puppies. The other ones.
ไม่สว่าง
You ladies are awesome, I must say. Really are.
แต่แบบคน
Loud in here, guys, because as soon as you can hear the dogs already, but as soon as I go in, they go nuts. So I'll make it quick. I'm going to show you guys the other 9 puppies. Look at these little cutie pies. Hey, hi buddy. But anyways, these are the ones. It is totally pouring rain out here today. I would like to get a shot of the front of this veterinarian building. If anyone is up in the Chiang Rai area, if you're living up here and you want to, and you have pets, you want to support this vet just for her huge heart. Here's the sign out front. And this is her storefront here, and the number as well. She's in the Bandu market area north of Chiang Rai, and like I say, lady's got a huge heart. Dr. Pray. Help her out if you can, guys. Just by bringing your animals here if you need a vet. Is helping her out. We bought all the medicine for the dogs here while we were here today, and yeah, we're done. We are done. I'm gonna go out in the rain, risk the Sony to get a shot of the front of this place. This is the place here. If you're looking for a vet in the Chiang Rai area, please come and help support her. super nice lady. And this is the Bandhu Market area, north of Chiang Rai. That's what you're looking for if you're interested, guys. What are you eating, ladies? Let me see, Arun. What's in this dish?
Yeah, I show you.
Oh, show me,
Yeah.
Boom. Oh,
This is chicken feet.
chicken feet.
Yeah.
Chicken feet noodle soup.
Yes, very yummy.
Oh, I know you girls love your chicken feet.
Good taste. Good taste.
The girls are hungry after visiting the vet.
Yeah.
Yep, we had to stop somebody. Talk. I keep
Yep.
surprised. They have to talk between bites of chicken feet.
Yummy.
Yummy.
What are these here, Nongrung?
Meatball.
Meatballs. Pork?
Con pork, yes.
Okay, I'll try them.
Yeah.
I don't want no chicken
Spicy.
feet. No chicken
Delicious.
feet for me.
Yeah. Let me one.
Mmm.
เอาเลยเก่งสไปซี่เยอะ
Oh, you forgot to mention that part. Spicy. They are good.
เจ๊ไปแล้วตัวเองสั่งอะไรรสช่องเหรอ
สั่งรวมมี
เอารสที่สั่งด้วยเนาะ
So good.
Good ค่ะ
Ladies, thank you for helping the dog so much. Really.
แตงกวาเซฟไทยสตรี
Thank
ทดอก
you.
Yeah. You guys are awesome. Really are. So it's the day after we were at the vet, and I'm just putting the video together, and I asked Rung if it was okay. Anyways. Hey, babe.
Hi babe go Hi
So-
guys I just said okay yes about my video for my ocean and my
You're kind of dark.
helping
It's
about
okay.
the dog street dog for money for my auction I want to be clear for show where money go to or everything make a photo to show or video to show to my auction friend who is helping and who is make auction to donate money thanks so much to watching
Thanks, babe.
thanks Pepsi ค่ะ
Pepsi says.
bye bye
Pepsi says. Thanks.
Hello.
Thanks for watching our video.
thanks for watching ค่ะ